Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reset your ADP portal password. First, open your web browser and then go to the ADP login page. Then click Forget Your Password and enter your user ID and continue. After that, follow the verification steps, which may include confirming your identity using your email address, phone number, or security questions. Once verified, create a new password that meets ADP's password requirements. Then confirm the password and save your changes. After the password has been updated, return to the login page and sign in using your new password. And if you don't remember your user ID or can't complete the verification process, then you need to contact your employer's HR or payroll administration for assistance. So that was how to reset your ADP portal password. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.